Oh, it's all right. What you say about me, I'm going on and do the best I can. Oh, yes, I am. After a while, my Lord, deliverance will come. And I know Jesus, He said He will fix it. And I know He's no shorter than His word. Oh, yes, He will. Children, I am weak, but thine are strong. He have all power in His hand. That's why I tell Him, Jesus, keep me from all wrong. Oh, yes. Oh, I may stumble every now and then, but I know Jesus will fix it. Yeah. My Lord. One more thing. The race is not given to the swift. Oh no. Now the battle to the strong. Oh Lord. So I know if I hold out and keep my God's command, I know Jesus, He will fix it. He said He would, and I know He will. I want to tell you one more time, it's all right. It's all right. Whatever you may say about me, I'm going on, and I'm going to do the very best I can, because I have an assurance that after a while, deliverance will surely come. And I know Jesus, He said He would fix it. He said He would fix it in the end.